Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to replace an old or broken tub drain with a brand new toe tapper drain, also known as a foot lock. If your tub isn't holding water properly anymore, or the drain looks worn out, this is a simple upgrade that you can do yourself. Let's jump right in. Materials and tools needed. A new toe tapper drain kit, plumber's putty, megalock or pipe thread sealant, Teflon tape, a tub drain wrench, adjustable pliers or screwdriver, and a little DIY patience. Let's take a quick look at the kit. Step 1. Inspecting the new drain kit. This is the toe tapper drain. You press it with your foot to lock or unlock it. Simple, modern, and user-friendly. The cap even says open and close. Inside the kit, you'll find a rubber gasket, a threaded drain body, and the top toe tapper mechanism. Step 2. Removing the old drain. Now it's time to remove the old drain. If it has a crossbar inside, use a tub drain wrench or large flathead screwdriver. No crossbar? No problem. Try an adjustable wrench or even a dumbbell tool. Whatever gives you leverage. Before we continue, it's a good idea to clean out any debris in the drain opening. If your old stopper was faulty, chances are there's a bit of a mess in there. Step 3. Installing the new drain. Now that everything's clean, we're ready to install the new drain. 1. Roll out some plumber's putty and place it around the underside of the drain flange. Think of it like old-school Play-Doh. We're creating a watertight seal. 2. Apply a little thread sealant, megalock, and a bit of Teflon tape to the threads. This prevents leaks and makes future removal easier. 3. Drop the new drain body into place. Turn it counterclockwise slightly until it clicks into the threads. Then tighten it clockwise using your tool of choice. Tighten it just enough for the putty to squeeze out slightly. That's how you know it's sealed. Wipe away the excess putty. Step 4. Final setup and testing. Now take your toe tapper top, screw it into the center, and press it down to lock, or press again to release. Fill the tub with a little water to test the seal. Check for leaks underneath, and make sure it holds water properly. If everything looks good, you're all set. And there you go. You've successfully replaced your old tub drain with a new toe tapper. No plumber needed. Lean, modern look. Better function with a simple foot tap. That's another DIY win. Thanks for watching Flow Fit DIY. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home repair and plumbing tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm always here to help. See you in the next one.